Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to set your TikTok profile to 18 and older. So you may have some adult content and want to make sure that it only reaches adults. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first you open App Library, go to the search bar and search for TikTok. Open up TikTok. Then once on TikTok, what you need to do is go to the bottom right corner and tap on the profile button. And once on the profile button, what you need to do is go to the top right corner and tap on the three lines button. And here a list of options will appear. You'll select the settings and privacy option. And once in the settings and privacy option, you'll scroll down and tap on the option that says audience controls under content and display. And here you'll see an option that lets you toggle to 18 and older. So by toggling it on here, your content is set only for adults. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.